Hey guys, welcome back again, man. Today we're playing a Minecraft video. And look at my skin. I'm a big I'm a big Ninjago fan, so ito yung ginagamit ko na skin. Babaguhin ko in a few weeks. So, yeah. Anyways, today maglalaro tayo ng Hive Minecraft. It's a Minecraft server in Bedrock Edition, and you can play it with a Microsoft account. So, tignan nyo tong mga skins na to. Yeah. May Monkey D. Luffy rin dun, oh. Monkey D. Luffy. Anyways, today, we're playing these games. Di natin lalaruin yung mga PvP kasi I suck at mobile. For now, guys, lalaruin natin itong mga completely harmless PvP. So, I mean games. So, first game, block drop at 16. Oh my god. Right, join natin. 7 players needed to start. Okay, never mind. Maglilib na sana ako. Oh my god, ang dami. Wow. Holy. 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 Oh my god. Kala ko yung ano to. Yung mga yun guys, yung spiral. Whatever the heck. I don't know. But yeah. Starting game in 10 seconds. Yeah. Let's go. Oh my god, nahulog ako. Yes. 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Woo! Oh my god, kumakati yung mata ko in the worst time possible. Wow, nahulog na yun. Oh my god. Neb. Okay, try natin maging careful. Yeah. Takbo lang tayo dito. Oh my god, naglalag ako. Ba't ako naglalag? Wow! I think the best strategy is to just be careful. You ain't making me fall, bud. Gawin natin yung mga hard jumps. Like this. Boom, boom. And whoa! And then, yeah. So far, meron pang mga nasa taas, so props to them. And ako ay nagiging careful na lang dito. So, akin yan. Look at these moves. Move. Hindi ko na alam kung saan pumunta. I don't know where to go anymore and I'm lagging. Next game, Gravity. Ito na ba yun guys? Ito na ba yun? Tignan natin. We're in the knock-off moon. Yeah. We're in the knock-off moon. Let me just use my brain real quick. There we go. Nasa knock-off moon tayo guys. Woo! 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 Yeah! Yeah! Okay guys, ano yung strat? What is the strat? I think mahulog tayo dito. Okay. Oh. Oh my god, mas mahirap pa yung first map kaysa dito. Ba't ang dali nito? What the heck? Ba't second map yun dapat first map? Okay, dito naman next. Hindi ko kasi makita kasi nasa mobile ako eh. At ang lag sa mobile. Yeah, not. Let's see. May slime blocks dun. Maybe we can use these slime blocks to our advantage. Isa ba yan? Di ba yan peke? Oh! Okay guys, nagawa natin. Yeah! First win. Woo! Okay guys, next game. Starting game in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes sir. Okay. This is one of my favorites kasi pambata. At ako'y naglalag for no reason at all. Okay. Gray. So, sana mamatay tayo dito ng below 10. Because I don't want this video to belong to this game. Oh man, that was very very close. Wow! Magenta. It's pink. We got fake pink right there. Bagong mission guys. Try lang natin makapunta sa top 3. Oh. Wow. Oh yes! Nanalo tayo. Let's go. So, I don't got high hopes for this, so I don't think mapupunta tayo sa top 3 kasi sobrang skilled ng mga players dito guys. At sa main account ko ay level 13 ako dito. Yes, I've been playing it quite a lot because it's just amazing. It's the feather that's making me, it's the feather that giving me motivation to play this. To yung feather na to. Kaya ba yan? Kaya ba yan? I don't think so. Baka kaya pag nasa... Whoop. Bitches. Woo! Hindi ako makatalon. Go! Mamatay ako! Go, go, go! Woo! Wow, mamatay ako. Okay, there we go. Tumigil doon, di ko alam. Nasa mobile kasi ako. Yeah! Second place! Woo! Woo! Pero third place, let's go. Nasa top tayo. Huli natin sa tignan. How is your day? Oh shit. My god, skillful nito. Oh, come on. No. Guys, wag. My god, ginagawa mo. Ba't ka tumatalon? Why you jumping, man? 10 seconds remaining. Come on! No. Pero at least na ano nito. Never mind. Lapit na niya, no? Third place! Next game. Just build. Mamaya na yung hide and seek niyan. Pero just build. Let's see ano kaya magagawa natin. Let's go. Okay, nag-start na. Hindi man lang naka-prepare. Medyo madali itong video na to guys. Because yes. Holy. Minecraft 5 is the best kind of. Also guys. Okay, what's next? Ano kaya gift tayo. Ako sa gift. I feel like it's much easier, no? Yes, sir. Ay, gawin natin yung... Let's do this. Or we could just make it smaller because we don't have enough time. Then... Oh my god, ginagawa ko. So, na kaya yung height na pwede natin ilagay. Gawin na lang kaya natin 4. I think 4 blocks is good enough. And then, let's fill up the walls. And, let's see. Kailangan pa natin maglagay ng a little bit more. Okay na ba yan? I think that's good enough. Lagyan na lang natin ng one last layer. And I don't... Please. Let's place this. Oh my god guys, it's the Sweden flag. I don't know. Pero kailangan natin lagyan ng mga carpets. And then some of these blue carpets. And then pwede ba tayo oh man, some textures. Good enough. Kaya na to. I mean, probably, oh my god, dude, you can make them float. I think that's good enough. Whoa, this is good. Look, it's mine. It's my build. No kaya rate nila, oh my god, nakita ko red. Okay, looks like matatalo tayo dito. But at least second place. But at least may mga kasama tayo sa top. Sa mga isang games, kasama tayo sa top. This one's also good. I like the stripes, yung red white. Parang nagsisimbolize ng Christmas. Si red white is a part of Christmas, I think. Hopefully. At malapit na rin ang Christmas guys, so it's a good choice that we chose gift. Dahil kasama pa rin tayo sa top. My god, dude, third. What? Sana na-enjoy nyo tong video na to, at kung na-enjoy nyo, please like and subscribe. It's appreciated, and I'm not forcing because you can just do it on your own. It ain't forcing, and I'm sorry if parang nagfo-force ako guys. It's my bad. Hope you guys have a nice day and night for the third time. And yeah. Out. Yeah.